Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2009 Subaru Legacy. I'm gonna be replacing the rear struts. Overall, not too bad. Let's get started. First thing we wanna do is jack the vehicle up, put it on jack stands. I'll pull a tire off. Let me zoom you in. Let's start by getting our lower strut bolt off. Sometimes these can be a pain. Hopefully this one plays nice. It's a 19 millimeter. We'll hold one side, use my impact on the other. All right, nice, got it. Now we'll wait to push this through till later. Now let's get our upper bolts. Our upper bolts we'll get from inside. So first we'll just pull off this. Now let's lay our seat down. We'll push our button, fold down our seat. And then right in here, our little side panel, we'll pull that out. And right there are our two strut bolts. Those are a 14 millimeter. Let's break them loose first. They're not terribly tight. Now we'll pull them all the way out. Our strut will not drop because we still have that lower bolt in. All right, let's hop back under. To remove our bolt, we want to jack up the bottom of the strut. I'll take something to tap it out with. We'll finish it off. There we go. Now as we lower our jack, we'll pull out our strut. Let me back you up just a little. Hold on to it. There we go. Perfect. That's it. Make sure our surface up here is nice and clean for our new strut. All right, we'll feed in our new strut. Put it in the hole. There we go. I'll get our jack. Put that back under, that'll hold it for us. There we go. Now let's go inside, put the nuts on. Just finger tighten these. They're new lock nuts. Now we'll cinch them down. They're a different size. My new ones are a 15. Now let's finish down below before we torque these. So now is the tricky part. We need to jack up the strut and line it up with our hole. We want to position our strut on the far side of our jack, and then we're going to push this as far away from the knuckle as we can. Start lifting. Okay, we'll put in our bolt. I'm gonna need a pry bar. Okay, you are just in my way. Let me move you a smidge. Hopefully you can still see. I'm just using the pry bar. Get it over. Okay, almost got it. I'm gonna come down just a smidge. Okay, oh, maybe too much. I'll come up just a little. I'm just trying to line up that hole. There we go. Take this out, tap on the bolt. Perfect. I'm gonna relieve pressure just a little. We'll reposition our jack. Lift it back up. Tap on the bolt some more. There, that's it all the way. I'll take out the jack. Put our nut back on. We just suck this in. All right, this is 46 foot-pounds. Last but not least, let's tighten the top bolts. These are torqued to 22 foot-pounds. Click, click. All right, that's it. We'll close this back up and put in our trunk cover. Good job. All right, there you go. That's how you can replace rear struts on a Subaru Legacy. All in all, not too bad. The challenge is getting that lower bolt in. When you're jacking up the strut, it wants to move on you in a position that's not good. So you have to just kind of keep it out of the way until you jack it up to the right height. But once you get it, you got it, and that's it. Torque everything down, take it for a good test drive. It wouldn't be a bad idea to get an alignment just to double check. All right, if you have any questions, comment, post down below, and I'll have all the parts and tools used in this repair in the description. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.